Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to separate the audio from the video. Maybe you got a nice video but you don't like the audio, so you want to do a voiceover and replace it. Well, I use my video camera for that, so I don't want the video, so I'm going to separate the two. I'll show you how to do it. We're using Sony Vegas 11, but you can use any of the versions. I think it'll work any of them. Okay, let's load Sony Vegas here. See, I'm using Pro 11. Okay, let's open up a video I already have. We'll drag it in. This has audio that we want to add voiceover on the top of. Now, I've already done a voiceover, so we'll bring it in too. Okay, bring my first video down to the timeline. There it is. See, there's audio already there. But I'm going to do a voice over, so I'm going to add some audio in here. My voice. Okay, we'll pull the thing over here and we'll take the voiceover, what we've done right over here. Now, see how you can't separate the two? Neither one are separate. So go down and click on the audio and press the U on your keyboard, the letter U. See how it separates it? Pull the video over and click on it and delete it. See? Now we've got our audio. Pull it down here where we want the voice to be. Right here. There you are. Now we've got voice on top of our audio that was already there, but we got rid of the old video. You can spin as many or as few as you want. See how it works? Okay. Hope this works for you. We'll see you next time.